Welcome to English Speaking Practice. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel, your safe place for English speaking practice every single day. Stop scrolling. Stop everything. Right now, close your eyes for 5 seconds. Picture your mother's face. Picture your father's face. Feel that warm feeling inside your chest. That feeling is love. Now, try to say 5 full sentences in English about them. Most students say only, "My parents good," or "I love my mom, dad," and then silence. They feel shy. They feel their English is too small to express big love. Today we change that forever. This whole video is only about my parents. No other topic. Just your mother. Just your father. Just your heart. You will learn 100 plus simple sentences you can use today. How to describe mother beautifully. How to describe father strongly. Childhood memories that make you emotional. Life lessons they gave you. How to say thank you and sorry in English. How to promise them a better future. Big mistakes students make. Real student stories. Many practice sections. You must speak out loud. If you watch till the end and repeat every line with your real voice, your English will start to feel warm, real, and full of love. One day, you can record a message for your parents in English, and they will cry with happiness. Let's start right now.
My parents are the most important people in my life. I live with my parents in Karachi. My father is 50 years old. My mother is 46 years old. They both look young. I love my parents more than anything. They love me unconditionally. My parents work very hard every day. They always put family first. I feel lucky to have them. My mother is the kindest person I know. She wakes up at 5 o'clock every morning. She makes fresh paratha for breakfast. Her tea tastes like heaven. My mother prays 5 times a day. She prays extra for my success. When I am sad, she feels it first. She hugs me and everything becomes okay. My mother cooks my favorite food when I am tired. She never thinks about herself. She gave up her own dreams for us. Her hands are soft but strong. I love when she smiles at me. My mother is my first teacher. She taught me how to be patient. She taught me how to respect women. I tell her all my secrets. She never judges me. When I fail, she says, "Try again, dear." I want to see her proud of me. One day I will buy her gold bangles. I will take her to Umrah inshallah. I miss her voice when I am not home. My mother is my peace. I love my mom more than words can say. My father is my hero. He works long hours without complaint. His hands are rough from hard work. He never shows when he is tired. My father taught me how to ride a bicycle. He taught me how to tie shoelaces. He taught me to speak truth always. He says, "Be honest even if it hurts." My father is strict but fair. He gets angry only when I waste time. He checks my marks every month. He says, "Education is your future." My father helps everyone. People respect him a lot. I feel safe when he is around. He solves problems without making noise. My father dreams big for me. He wants me to become something big. I want to give him a peaceful old age. I want him to sit and relax one day. I kiss his hand sometimes. He smiles quietly when I do that. My father is my role model forever. I want to become half the man he is. My parents are a perfect team. They support each other always. We eat dinner together every night. We talk and laugh at the table. Sometimes they argue, but they make up fast. Their love is quiet but very deep. They saved money for my studies. They never let me feel poor. My parents taught me good values. They taught me to help others. They taught me to fear Allah. They taught me to respect elders. I see their gray hair now. Time is passing fast. I want to take care of them soon. I will never leave them alone. My parents are my biggest blessing. When I was 5, my mother carried me to school. My father brought ice cream every Sunday. My mother told me fairy tales at night. My father showed me stars and said, "You can reach them." Once I got lost in the market. My father found me and hugged me tight. My mother cried happy tears when I won a prize. They both waited outside my exam hall. Their prayers gave me strength. Those small moments are my treasure. Mom, Dad, thank you for everything. Thank you for your endless love. Thank you for every sacrifice. I can never repay you. Sorry for every time I made you worry. Sorry for every rude word I said. I promise to study harder now. I promise to make you proud. I promise to give you a happy life. Please stay with me always. I love you both forever.